Hello everybody, here is the Guangzhou Tianyuan machine company. And today let's see the vertical liquid silicone injection molding machine. Let's go on. Vertical liquid silicone injection molding machine closes the mold downward. Double sliding board can install an upper mold board and two lower mold boards in the same time and make the market more efficiency. The varying type of quantitative cylinder relies one-to-one accurate fitting of groove A and groove B. Dynamic mixer to mix the material and color more thoroughly. Research the direct pressure injection barrel independently. Different specifications of barrel can be selected or different products, and the minimum can be matched with 10-gram barrels for precious micro-ejection.